it's me, Anne, your Thick the Girly. Ever wish pleasure could be wrapped in elegance? Meet the Miss Rosy Clit Sucker, your new secret weapon for beauty and bliss. If you're ready for something that looks stunning on your nightstand and feels even better in your hand, keep watching. Let's get started. Miss Rosy is crafted from silky, body-safe silicone and shaped like a delicate rose. Her secret? 10 clit sucking modes powered by low-noise technology. So you can play anytime, anywhere without raising eyebrows. She is travel-friendly, fully rechargeable, and comes with a free satin pouch for safe storage. Because your rose deserves to be pampered. Charging is easy with the included USB cable. And she is splash-proof for worry-free cleaning. Before we get into how to make this rose bloom, quick little plug. If you're in the Philippines and craving toys like this, Lovette is your pleasure pit stop. We've got same-day delivery in Metro Manila, gift wrapping for those naughty but nice surprises, and discreet packaging so your secrets stay safe. We're on Shopee and Lazada too, so you can add to cart anytime, anywhere. And have your new toy sliding into your hands in no time. Links are all in the description box below. Let's get back to the video. Here's how to get the most out of Miss Rosy. Step 1. Charge the toy fully with the included USB cable. Give her a quick clean with mild soap and water or the Love It Spray and Play Sex Toy Cleaner. Step 2. Apply a little bit water-based lube on your clitoris for comfort. Step 3. Press and hold the power button to turn her on, then tap to explore all the 10 suction modes. Step 4. Place her on your clit and let the sensation takes over. You can also tease your nipples for an extra thrills. When you're done, turn her off. Wash her again, dry her, and store her in a satin pouch. The Miss Rosy Clit Sucker is perfect for: first on the list, anyone who wants discreet but powerful pleasure. Second, beginners looking for their first classy sex toy. And last but not the least, travelers who want something portable, discreet, and cute. She also makes a gorgeous naughty gift for a close friend. It could be for a bridal shower, birthday, or just because. We offer gift wrapping for that special touch and discreet packaging if you want to keep it hush-hush. So, ready to let Miss Rosy work her magic? All the links are in the description box below. Whether she's for you or a lucky friend, one thing's for sure is she's going to leave someone smiling. Don't forget to subscribe for more sex toy guides, tips, and unboxings. See you next time, lovies! And remember, with Miss Rosy, pleasure is always in full bloom. Love, love, my lovies! Bye!